retrieve a list of more than 100 results from Etsy, I can use these. I'll need to recur, so I'll need to go and get more than 100 at a time. I'll need to get more. I'll have to go and get them more than once. So I say, so just to show you that, if I go created, and I don't want to descend, give me the oldest first, give me the oldest since January, and only the maximum I can get is a limit of 100. But if I do that, I can see that from January the 1st, here are these 5 results. So the maximum I can get is 100. So if there's more than 100, I'm going to have to use recursion to retrieve all of them. So if I say, give me all the results since the 14th of January, then I kick off this recursive workflow, I can see that this number here is going up and up and up. And I'll show you how that works. And here they are going into the database. I'm only recording a few of the fields. In your particular case, you'd record whatever fields make sense. And that back-end workflow, when we go get all receipts, it comes in with the offset, so it starts at 0. So I'm going to get the first bunch of results. In my case, I've set it to 5, so I always recurse, but you would set this to 100 because you'd get as many as you can each time. I'm doing this search. It's saying, give me all the results since when created from a few weeks ago, and sort on created date, and sort ascending, so I'm going to grab the oldest first. I created a bit of debug in here so that I know things are working. I then do a recursive workflow to save all of those results. So this is a separate bit of recursion. But when it gets to the end here, it says, when the results count is greater than 0, i.e. we've found there's still results to be retrieved, go back and grab the next lot, but increase the offset, and you'd change this to 100. So you'd say, give me the next 100, then the next 100, and the next 100, until we've retrieved all of the results. So the count would become 0. So that's what happens is we come in here, we have a search, we say start from 0, we go down, we grab those results, 100, I'm using 5 to make for testing purposes, we grab 100. If there is any results left, we return and retrieve more. And then within that, we have a recursive workflow to save all of those objects. And I only save a few fields.